Hi guys, Lindsay, and I have a Samsung G7. The model number is G730 and the phone is actually on. We have a black screen. We are going to do a screen replacement on this phone. So guys, so far I have heated the edges around the screen, and all we have to do is just take our time, remove the screen from the phone. So the best thing to use is like a business card. I don't know if I have any here, but I have this old one. I used it a couple times, so I'm gonna try and use it around the edges and try and take it off. So guys, as you can see, I got the screen removed. If you look at it, you can see that the screen is split, and this is because we had some adhesive at the back of the screen and we had to pull off the adhesive and we had to rip this off. So what we're going to do, we're going to try a new screen with this and then we are going to install it. So guys, I have a brand new screen here and I am going to test to ensure that everything is working before installing it. And this screen, it came with adhesive tape on it, so we are good to go. I am just going to ensure it is working. Also, we'll need to remove the old adhesive from around the corners as well. So I connected the screen, so the screen is working and everything guys. It is connected to my computer. You can hear that song, and now we know that the screen is working, and once everything is touching, we'll just install the screen. As you can see here, so let me just ensure everything is working with it. Everything is working guys, so I'm going to shut down and then I'm going to install the screen. So guys, I don't have my tripod with me. I just removed the tape from the home button area, and also the top, the tape is here, and I also remove the tape as well on the screen, which is right here. So guys, as you can look at the side of this, there is no tape by the side. This is a aftermarket screen, so definitely I'll be using adhesive glue, and I'll be putting some by the side to stick down the side of the screen. Or when you apply the screen, you will be seeing light when the screen is on by the side of the screen, and you don't want that. So definitely we will have to put some adhesive by the side of the screen. So I'm going to do that right now, and then I'm going to install the ribbon for the screen, which is right here, and then this is the cover. We need to see direction the cover is to go. The cover should be going like this, like that. So once we see the direction, all we have to do is just to install everything properly. So I'm doing this video in step because I don't have my tripod here with me at the moment. So guys, I just installed the screen, so I'm going to test it now, ensure that everything is good and that everything is working. Yes guys, everything is working and we are good to go. Hope that this video was entertaining and helpful.